I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. After eating a big meal and then some late night leftovers, let me tell you, I was stuffed. But there's no need to worry about those calories because today, many of us will be working them off as we take advantage of our Black Friday specials. You know, it's quite a workout fighting the crowds and schlepping packages from one end of the mall to the other. But when you get home, I have a creamy, dreamy specialty coffee that I know you'll love. We start off by adding espresso powder to some boiling water. And just in case you're not familiar with it, think of it as a very strong granulated coffee, and we can find it in our markets along with our regular coffee. To that, we add some milk, heavy cream, and a splash, a very generous splash of amaretto, which is an almond liqueur, and we let that simmer. After whipping up some heavy cream with powdered sugar and a touch of vanilla, we are done. I only wish you could smell this. And with each sip, you get the cozy glow from its warmth, a kick from the coffee. After all, you did get up early, and the from the amaretto. To get the recipe for what we call our almond cafe latte, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a soothing break from shopping kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.